Remote locations with a large footprint present a number of challenges to be able to secure and monitor. Amongst those is the number of cameras that could be required in order to watch an entire perimeter. If you have a large facility, that could be a lot of cameras with a lot of Ethernet connections and a lot of cable, and therefore a lot of money. Other issues would also include the response time for officers to get from one side to another. This primarily can be due to obstacles. They have to go around buildings, they have to go around towers, go around solar panels. These are all items that a drone can fly directly over as the crow flies, as they say, at speeds up to 30 miles an hour, greatly reducing your response time. A drone also can take the place of all those cameras on a perimeter, being able to fly a pre-programmed mission along that perimeter using zoom and being able to see further than you could with just those fixed cameras. While a large remote location presents all these challenges, the drone is a perfect answer to overcome these challenges and secure your property.